Hey guys, we're here with Katrina at SEMA 2023 and we're sitting in front of the Ironman GT. So I just wanted to ask what's all is going on with this car, what all have you done to it, and just tell us a little bit about it.
So you can see 2018 Mustang GT Premium with skin Ironman GT. So it was installed different pieces on the car. It's not just easy to put wrap on whole car. So it was making during a year, and you can see PPF on a whole car, keep quality of the wrap. Plus I have XKGLOW underlights and lights on the wheels, which give special look for the car at nighttime. And also I have reflective lines, which you can see at nighttime, which show you really like Ironman look. And plus custom trunk, custom steering wheel, and some carbon parts of a Mustang.
Awesome. So this wrap, whenever they put it, they printed it on, so they wrapped it completely with a printed wrap, and then they had to stack all the different chrome silver, chrome gold, and then on top of that added reflective color, and on top of that PPF on top of everything. That is
like
crazy. Yes, the amount of detail in that wrap is crazy. So, and then obviously you got the XKGLOW lights underneath it running our RGB kit. If you had to pick one feature that would be your favorite on it, what would it be? Whether it's the app or what you can do with them.
App is pretty cool. It's really easy to use, and also wheel slides. I like it because not a lot of companies have it, and plus it's really good quality. You know, it can like how would say.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're the best.
Good. Yeah.
That's right. All right. So awesome. Well, they definitely, the amount of detail in the wrap, you got the detail in the lights and everything custom on it. We just absolutely love this, the Ironman GT. So thanks again for taking us through it and showing us everything.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your product, guys. Your product is the best.